So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot. We'll then hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further. Now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, you can see the total miles of this car, which is 7,827. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of information, including the digital readout for the speedometer you see being displayed now. Above that, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter, just here and here. And then on the right-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair the phone up, and that is done over on the touchscreen in the center just here. Hit the phone icon and then follow the instructions on screen. If we hit audio, you'll better see the different ways in which you can listen to music in this car. So we have AM, FM and DAB radio, as well as USB input. You can also then stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music. So on the left-hand side of the stereo, you can turn the parking sensors on and off from here. You can put the city power steering on, so it makes extra light power steering. You can turn on the heated steering wheel, which is on at the moment, heated passenger seat, heated driver seat, and then deadlock, so that you can lock the car doors from the outside or unlock them as well. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction of the air. You can put the rear heated screen on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've got here. And then lastly, this button turns the air conditioning off or back on again. Underneath that, we have USB input and a 12-volt charging socket. You can fold this out to give you a cup holder if you wish to. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The button on the top of it will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that too. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.